Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Potensic ATOM LT GPS drone, a fantastic entry-level drone designed specifically for adults who are just starting out in the world of drones. This lightweight drone, weighing in at under 249 grams, is perfect for beginners and comes with 2 batteries, giving you a whopping 80 minutes of flight time. The drone is equipped with a high-quality EIS 2.5K camera, ensuring that you capture stunning aerial footage. And it also boasts 4KM FPV transmission, allowing you to see the world from a whole new perspective. The Potensic ATOM LT is powered by brushless motors, making it more efficient and durable than its predecessors. It also features an auto return function, ensuring that your drone always finds its way back home. And if that's not enough, this drone comes with SurgeFly, an innovative technology that helps you maintain control even in strong winds. So if you're an adult beginner looking to dive into the world of drones, the Potensic ATOM LT is the perfect choice for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome drone content.